Imagine stepping inside a stadium that's transforming right before your eyes. Every beam lifted, every panel placed, every corner coming together for something historic. Today, you'll get an exclusive look at all the latest progress, from the base to the top, showing every stage like never before. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who has supported the channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Your support motivates us to keep bringing these detailed updates. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button now so we can reach this milestone together. In the Tribune area, the construction zone remains highly active. Cranes and lifting equipment are operating across different sections while workers continue structural and finishing work. Protective coatings on steel beams and ongoing installations show that this part of the stadium is moving into more advanced construction stages. At the north goal section, work continues around the prefabricated seating structure. Crews are focusing on the alignment of seating modules and carefully checking the connections between sections. Steel structures and support frames are becoming more defined, showing clear development compared to previous days. This area is gradually taking shape as crews focus on both structural installation and finishing tasks. The third tier of the stadium is now entering its final structural phase. Across multiple sections, the seating structure and upper framework are becoming fully defined. Workers are conducting inspections on the installed modules and preparing the area for the next stages, which will include waterproofing layers, stair installations, railings, and eventually the placement of seats. At the highest levels of the stadium, concrete pumping operations are underway. Workers are pouring concrete into structural joints that will form part of the compression ring, an essential component for the future roof structure. This stage is particularly important because it marks progress toward completing the stadium's upper framework. Work continues steadily in the diamond zone, where the distinctive diamond-shaped sections of the facade are taking shape. Most glazing has now been installed, while some panels remain covered with protective fabric, likely to shield ongoing interior work or control sunlight. Finishing touches are still pending, but the area is progressing well and is becoming one of the most striking parts of the stadium exterior. Over at the south goal side, progress is also clearly visible. Several construction teams are working simultaneously using aerial platforms and scaffolding. Structural elements, along with installation work around different levels, indicate that this section is advancing step by step. The pace of work here suggests that important phases of the build are currently underway. The installation of sandwich panels is continuing across several interior sections of the stadium. These panels are being positioned along structural walls and surface areas, helping define internal spaces while also improving insulation and finishing. Workers are carefully securing each panel in sequence, ensuring proper alignment with the surrounding framework. Along the lateral facade of Camp Nou, the installation of ceramic slats is now entering its final stage in this section. Most of the panels are already in place, clearly defining the exterior design of the stadium. Only a limited number of slats remain to be installed, and each one must follow a precise sequence because every panel has a specific position in the facade system. Around the exterior of the stadium, construction equipment and machinery remain active. Work continues on structural installations and outer sections of the stadium, with visible progress compared to earlier updates. Overall, today's construction update shows steady and visible progress across all sections of the stadium. Every day brings the stadium closer to its next stage of completion, with multiple teams working simultaneously to move the project forward. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with every progress report. And stay tuned for the next inside look at the stadium's transformation.